Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to this Scan Tool Network video. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the top 5 Opel and Vauxhall diagnostic tools for 2022 and 2023. I'm going to put links to all of these kits in the description below this video, so if you are interested, just make sure to use those links. They will take you to the genuine and official products. Unfortunately, there are fakes, there are clones out there that can damage your vehicle, so if you are interested in any of these tools, make sure you do use the links below. We're going to start from the cheapest and work our way up to the most expensive, and hopefully by the end of the video you'll have a better idea about which of these tools is going to be specific and best suited to your needs, your specific vehicle, and of course your budget as well. And at the end of the video, I'll give you my personal recommendation for which tool I would choose if it was my money. So we'll start with the iCarSoft OP version 1.0. OP starting meaning Opel, but it's obviously Opel is Opel, and it's the same for Vauxhall as well. Get my words out there. So it's Opel and Vauxhall vehicles. Now this tool will allow you to diagnose and reset all of the main systems in your vehicle. So things like engines, airbags, ABS, transmission, but it will also allow you to diagnose and reset other systems depending on what is actually installed to the vehicle. So, you know, things like power steering, air suspension, central locking, HVAC systems, and whatever else may well be installed into your vehicle. So it'll allow you to do that. It'll also allow you to reset the oil service or the interval or the maintenance reset message. If your car's due a service or it's had a service, you just need to reset the message, then this tool will do that for you. Now you will get free lifetime updates with this tool as well. So we move on now to the Opel or the OP version 2.0 kit. So this is a little bit more expensive to this one. This does more than this one. This covers everything that this does, but it has additional functionality, additional service functionality, and that basically gives you the ability to carry out DPF regenerations, electronic park and brake reset and calibration, electronic throttle calibration, steering angle sensor calibration, new battery registration, injector coding, brake bleeding as well. It all really depends on the specific vehicle though. So if you're unsure as to whether one of those functions will be suitable for your vehicle, I'll pop an email address in the description below. Please use that email address and contact those guys. They will get back to you with an answer as well. If possible, include your VIN number. That does help. So that's the version 2.0 kit. We then move on to the iCarSoft version 3.0. That's the OP version 3.0 kit. This kit does everything that these kits will do. This is a little bit better though. This has better software. So whereas this won't necessarily cover all vehicles for things like DPF regeneration, this generally will. So it's built on a new platform. It does cost a little bit more, but it is better. So it does everything that these tools will do for more vehicles, but it also has a few additional service functions, which include actuation tests, suspension calibrations, transmission adaptation, air conditioning resets, engine adaptation, and a few other adaptations as well. Like I say, it all really depends on the vehicle. Excuse me, it all depends on what's installed to the vehicle. So my advice is use the email in the box below and get clarification on that if you need it. So that's the version 3.0. Now, so far all of these tools, these three here, all they do is cover Opel or Vauxhall vehicles, okay? So if you wanted a tool which covers more than Opel or more than Vauxhall, then I'd recommend the iCarSoft CR Pro Kit. This tool has the same capability as the version 2.0 and the version 1.0, but it does this for all manufacturers. So it covers everything in the European sector, like Mercedes, Vauxhall, Volvo, BMW, Audi, VW, Seat, Skoda, European Ford. It does the Asian markets as well, so for example Nissan, Subaru, Mazda, Mitsubishi, Honda, Toyota, Lexus, etc. It also does the American market as well, so Chevrolet, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, GMC, Hummer, etc. So that's a good option if you want a tool on the similar level to this, but for multiple vehicles. And that's been a real good seller for a few years now actually. That was of course until the CR Max came along. This is the next in line. This is the most expensive kit here. It's a tablet based tool, but it really does pack a powerful punch. If, say for example, you wanted the capabilities of the version 3.0 in a multi-vehicle kit, then this is the one to go for, the iCarSoft CR Max. It does cost more than all of these kits. It does everything that all of these kits will do, plus more. So it has the capability of, let's say, these 3 kits here, but it does it for all manufacturers. So like this does all manufacturers as well, but this only has the capability of this tool. So this is the best capable tool. This tool has the most functions. This will do it for all manufacturers, again from Europe, America and Asia as well. I can't sort of really stress how much of a good tool this is. You know, if you've got a few cars, or you've got you're thinking about maybe changing your car in future, you're not sure what to go for, your friends or families have got a few cars, or maybe you're a small garage, a workshop, a mobile mechanic, something like that, and you want to be able to have the best tool at hand when you deal with a vehicle you may not necessarily know what you're going to be dealing with on a day-to-day basis. So this is a really, really good tool for that. And again, though, it does things like actuation tests, calibrations, adaptions, etc. This, incidentally, gives you they all give you free lifetime updates. The reason why this is most important, because in tools which are at this level, let's say, for example, the rival to this tool is the Opel MK808. Now that costs about £150 more, okay? Also with the Opel tool, you have to pay yearly updates to get the software, and it costs about £130 per year. With this tool, you pay obviously £150 less for the tool, but you get free lifetime updates, okay? So once you pay for the tool, you literally don't need to pay for anything else. And that's the same with all of these. You pay for the tool and that's it. You get constant lifetime use out of all of these tools. Which tool of these would I recommend if it was my personal money looking at a vehicle tool? Well, it's hard to say because my circumstances are going to be different to yours. Everybody's circumstances are different. But if all I wanted to do was maybe reset an airbag light, check engine, ABS light, something very simple, then you need not look any further than the iCarsoft OP version 1.0 tool. If you want the best functionality out of a tool for your specific Vauxhall or Opel, then I'd go for the version 3.0 kit. And if you want the best tool in the DIY range that covers a lot of different manufacturers, etc., then certainly look at the CR Max tool. But either way, though, all of these tools, they are going to see you right. They are good packages. That's why they're all on this table, because they shouldn't let you down as and when you need them. But use the email address if you want clarification as to whether a certain tool is going to be suitable for your needs. Use the links in the description below as well, because they will take you, as I say, to genuine products. The fakes and clones, they're cheaper, but they can damage your vehicle. They won't work right at the end of the day. So please use the links in the description below this video. And yeah, I hope this has helped you. Thanks for watching.